Your customers want protection, peace of mind, and smart technology that adapts to their homes. First Alert ProSeries for homes and small businesses is a security platform of Pro Install products that work together to help your customers protect what matters most. Customers in the UK have the choice of 2 monitoring packages: wireless installation with smart sensors that detect intrusion, glass break, smoke or water leak, and CO, to trigger alarms with one-go, all-go functionality. So when one alarm goes off, they all do, because every second matters. With over 45 products in the range, you can create customizable installations that grow with your customers' needs. The Resideo Pro Installer app streamlines setup and system management, giving installers greater efficiency and control from their mobile devices. Using the AlarmNet 360 Pro Installer support platform, you can reduce installation time by pre-configuring products before you arrive at the install site, then later view system performance and deploy over-the-air upgrades to panels and sensors. The ProSeries platform, with its common programming language and accessible device design, helps you train customers faster, making your installation time more efficient. Its intuitive app delivers real-time alerts, device status monitoring, and event history. And you can stay visible to customers by adding your business contact details with company branding to the main platform peripherals. First Alert ProSeries brings the latest smart security technologies together and is backwards compatible with VideoFide and Demonial. If you're looking for the ultimate easy-to-use, scalable, end-to-end security and life safety Pro Install platform, switch to ProSeries from First Alert. One platform, more protection, more opportunity. Find your local distributor or search First Alert ProSeries to learn more.